yes, yes.
Email and
Send yes. Send the information.
okay, WhatsApp or email?
Email it will be better.
Okay, this is the email that I have. I will send to this one,
yeah,
or you want
yeah.
another email?
Better. Add other email as well. Okay, give your email address also.
Yes.
Okay,
I will send to this email. It is correct. Everything is correct, sir.
everything is correct.
Okay, خلاص. I will send to that email, and I will wait for a reply. If you need assistance with the process,
Okay.
I am happy to help.
ओके
Okay.
तो हम लोग जो है वो RIT यूनिवर्सिटी में हैं अभी आए हुए थे रॉचेस्टर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी और अभी हम लोग जो है वो ज़रा कॉफ़ी वगैरह पी रहे हैं और कुछ रिफ़्रेशमेंट था तो हम लोग ने रिफ़्रेशमेंट भी जो है कुछ किया तो सबको पता ही है कि यूनिवर्सिटी जो है वो सीरीज़ हमारा चल रहा है तो उसमें आप लोगों के लिए जो है वो हम लोग अभी मैं भी जो है वो RIT यूनिवर्सिटी दुबई आया हुआ हूँ मैं भी बेसिकली ये USA की यूनिवर्सिटी है और ज़बरदस्त है ये इनोवेशन सेंटर है
सीधी डाल देना
जॉनसन कंट्रोल द स्पॉन्सर भी बहुत
but mostly like Arabs, like people who have taught in like Canada and US, so they have come here. So
ओके
that's how it is.
पर मोस्ट द टीचर इज अरबिक
Not Arab, meaning how do I say? They're from Canada, like they've gotten their degree.
Oh,
in
the citizenship is Canada.
Yeah, like they're. It's like ethnicity wise, if you say. So we have Indians, we have Arabs, we have Americans as well.
Americans as well, yeah.
So
Okay.
it depends major to major. In
Okay.
CIT, we have few who are like Tunisian and all, and everything. So it varies. This is ये हमारा admin department है.
This is admin department,
Yeah.
right?
तो यहाँ पर आपके सारे एडमिन लाइक फाइनेंस का काम होगा और आई थिंक उन्होंने कोऑप का बोला होगा इंटर्नशिप दो
Yeah.
सीसेट में अभी आपको इंटर्नशिप करनी पड़ती है तो उसका भी जो प्रोसेस लाइक जानने के लिए जो लोग होते हैं वो ये ब्लॉक में होंगे इसके बाद आपको होगा आपका ये हमारा लिबरल आर्ट्स ब्लॉक है बट यहाँ पर आपके
For the business management, this is also good, right? This university is good.
So we have global business management
Okay.
and we have finance, we have marketing.
Okay.
I think हाँ वो तीन अभी के लिए
Okay. This is administration department.
नो दिस इज अभी यहाँ ये ब्लॉक से हम लोग चालू होते सारे क्लासेस हम लोग ऊपर जाते हैं
Okay. Business management department. Okay.
ये हमारा एक सबसे बड़ा क्लासरूम
This is a hall, right?
दिस इज द मेन हॉल
This is the main hall.
दिस इज हाउ द हॉल्स आर
Okay. So this is classroom, right?
इट्स अ क्लासरूम बट हम लोग का actually
This auditorium or classroom?
नहीं ये ऑडिटोरियम और क्लासरूम दोनों तो हम लोग जब बड़े इवेंट्स होते हैं तो ये ऑडिटोरियम यूज़ करते हैं पर जब क्लासेस भी यहाँ होते हैं बिकॉज हमारा रूल ऐसा है कि जब हम लोग मैक्सिमम सिर्फ तो
Okay. So
दिस इज हमारा ये हमारा बोला ना साइंस एंड लिबरल आर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट
Okay.
यहाँ पर अभी आपके लाइक जो अभी सीसेट में सब लोग को लाइक साइंस के कोर्सेज लेने पड़ते हैं ओके तो जब वो कोर्सेज लोगे तो आपको बायो को भी लेना पड़ेगा और केमिस्ट्री भी लेना पड़ेगा
Okay. This is chemistry lab, right? Ah, great.
This is that you won't be able to see all the things right now because the professor usually throughout the day they have everything outside. End of the day they have to pack it up and all. So this is one chemistry lab.
Okay.
This is the physics lab. So depending, so you have to take some science courses because it's a science degree. It's a bachelor of science, not a bachelor of engineering. So when you take a bachelor of science degree, you have to take certain you take certain science courses that that qualify for your major. And this is not only RIT, but like anywhere in the world you go, if you're doing a bachelor of science, then 100% you have to do it. These our bio lab.
Good. Okay. Okay, finish?
Like every department have their like professor's office.
Okay.
So if they always like they send out a syllabus at the start of the thing where
Oh.
you have your the professor's office and their office hours. So if you have any questions during the courses, to like you have some doubts or anything, you can like visit them, and they won't have any issues. Like they're very friendly also like that. But you need to make sure that you're
Open
not,
to discussion anytime, right?
yeah, but you need to make sure you're not on a bad page with the professor, because if you don't respect them, then they will get offended in the class.
Exactly, yeah.
So it's like, so these are the normal size classrooms.
This,
So as I said, see the classrooms are like 30 students maximum, as you can see.
yeah, this classroom is for a normal classroom.
No, any classroom.
Any classroom. Yeah, good. Yeah.
All the classes are mostly like this. Now these are one of the bigger classrooms.
I think after Harrier, what I found this classroom
I just want to
is
show them the class. Do you mind? Wait, thank you. Please.
okay.
So this is the classroom, the one of the bigger ones.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Sorry to bother you. तो अभी हम लोग ये business management के job. Harriet has 2, but they have more holidays and all. So it depends on the degree wise. And Harriet is 3 years, we have 4 years.
No, Harrier is 4 years also, no?
Honors, but like sometimes it's like honors. They'll be like, oh, you can skip a year and go ahead. So it's a UK degree.
I think so, maybe.
It's 4 years, I think.
4 years, I heard what is 4 years.
But the thing is, in a UK degree, sometimes.
Middlesex is 3 years.
Okay, so this is now we're gonna enter the computing and electrical department.
That is
So-
most important, yeah.
So this is usually where like, so the thing is, your classes are not made sure like, oh, it's only going to be in this department. Wherever the class availability they have, they would like tell you this is where your class is going to be for this semester. So maybe your one class is be in another block, but it's not like these are just named for the blocks depending on the labs that are provided. So this is the AI and robotics lab.
This is AI robotics lab.
Like courses with them. Bought some major courses. So basically, in these you can like if you're working on a project and all, you get if you speak to the professors in charge and all, they give you access and you can freely use all the equipment.
Okay.
So
any other time also, suppose after class also, if we will get the permission from the student will get the permission from the teacher, so he can use that one.
usually if you're just working on a project, you don't even need permission. Just tell them that, oh, we're working on this project. We need access of this every day. They'll give you a card and you have access every day. It's very straightforward in the but you should not like misuse it. And every block where you have like these seating areas, okay, where you're not allowed. So this is only for studies and for like for just to sit and like pass time. But you're not allowed to make noise. If you make too much noise, security come. Khana यहाँ पर allowed नहीं because you can't make it dirty as well. It's very sophisticated. Now this is one of the main important ones. This is the computer lab. So I have no idea why the laptop is like this, but it's always split. Maybe they had a class before. But this is also the computer lab. Even the computer lab is open, and if you request the teacher that, oh, you have something already on the laptop open, you can use it. And like these seating places are there like all around in every block, and it just varies like that. Is your son or your daughter like are they into sports or anything? One of the other labs, electronics.
This
and
electronics
control.
communication.
Yeah, this is like electronics control.
Okay, great.
So basically,
Electronics and control lab. Okay, here.
so the very one degree is UK degree. Where
इसका वैल्यू ज़्यादा है
वो अभी RIT का वैल्यू ग्लोबली भी अच्छा है
इतना दिखा है वो ये
This is the other lab.
Okay, so this is all. Yeah, great. Okay.
So it's accredited by all. And since we also accredited, there's one more for engineering we need. but we have all the accreditations that are needed. And we were also inaugurated by the Sheikh of Dubai. So that's one other thing.
Okay. Good.
And this is our networking lab.
And this is networking lab. Okay.
So all the things that you need for computing, you're just going to find it in the same process.
Good. Great.
So how it is, the degrees are 4 years. Now it's like study-wise, Harry is easier. Harry and Murong both are easier in studies than RIT. RIT is very hard because it's American, but the cutoff, like the grades are better. But if the studies in like RIT is good, like even though if they're hard and all, it makes you prepare, like it prepares you for the
Okay, your seniors who has already
almost
passed
senior.
from here. No, your senior.
Yeah.
So where he got the job, maybe which kind of did he?
उन लोग का मेंटालिटी कि अगर हम लोग को like अभी you have now something known as immersions and minor where like you can so minor is something where you will take 5 courses and how it works is it's not completely determined that that's your major, but it shows that even though you took time to study like almost half of the course, so it's minor is like doing half degree almost. It's not like so you work. This is the industry and robotics stuff.
Great. This one is.
You can see some models already made and like these are all working. See, that's also a working model. So they're all under place. So
They are working on that model with some students, right?
yeah, these all you won't find any professor work here.
Yeah.
Anything in labs is only students.
A student only. Great.
And there are so many students who even publish their work. My one friend, he's a mechanical student. He, I think last week or 2 weeks back itself, he told me he got his work published and so many people got their work published. So if you're willingly wanting to do something, then they do help you and support you. So, yeah, this is the more fluid lab. तो ये सब यहाँ पे जो फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स वो सब होता है, हम उससे काम करते हैं. You can see all
This
the-
is fluid mechanics. Yeah, exactly. Okay, great. Good enough. Thermal lab.
So as I said, everywhere there are places for studies and all.
Every block.
And that's what it is. This is